Ever wondered how you can effortlessly save money, even without actively thinking about it? Or perhaps you've heard the buzz around PiggyVest's Pocketguard and want to know more? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of automated savings with PiggyVest's Pocketguard. This innovative feature is designed to help you save money consistently without the need for constant effort. It's like having a personal financial assistant that gently nudges you towards your savings goals. How does Pocketguard work? At its core, Pocketguard is a smart savings tool that automatically rounds up your daily transactions to the nearest whole number. For instance, if you spend N1,234, Pocketguard will round it up to N1,235 and save that extra N1. It may seem insignificant, but these small savings can add up over time. To make this magic happen, Pocketguard seamlessly integrates with your bank account. It monitors your transactions and automatically transfers the rounded up amounts to your PiggyVest savings wallet. It's as simple as that. Customizing your savings journey, PiggyVest understands that everyone's financial goals are unique. That's why Pocketguard offers several customization options to tailor your savings experience. Roundup amount. You can choose to round up to the nearest N5, N10, or even a custom amount. Savings goals. Set specific savings goals, such as a vacation fund, emergency fund, or a down payment for a house. Savings plans. Create recurring savings plans to automatically transfer a fixed amount to your savings wallet on a weekly or monthly basis. Additional benefits of Pocketguard. Beyond automated savings, Pocketguard offers other benefits. Financial awareness. By tracking your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Goal-oriented savings. With specific savings goals, you stay motivated and focused on your financial objectives. Easy access to your savings. Your saved money is readily accessible whenever you need it. PiggyVest's Pocketguard is a powerful tool that empowers you to take control of your finances. By automating your savings, you can build a strong financial future without sacrificing your daily lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.